Lockdown Timagwa. Music in space inspire. Gulu. We female artists, we are here, but we are being represented by other female artists from other regions. They are the one representing us on our own land. Music inspire. Oh my goodness, this is serious. Music inspire. Female artists are not there in our land. We have only male artists in Acholi sub-region. Hey. So, we female artists, we are not representing, we can't represent our home, you know? Another woman should come and represent our home. Serious? Ojane, wacho unu malo. Hey, music in space. Wa ulo kidiyu mon, twer pa mon, luwe ma mon. Udiyu wa enough, and enough is enough. La which koma who? How can you bring other female artists to come and represent our land, our home? This is unfair. Hey. Assalamu alaikum, walaikum salam, wa rahmatullah, wa barakatuh. Afoyo, happy Eid to all Muslims, my brothers and sisters. Tini Eni, I've come back. Yes, now I promised to come back for part 2. At least we have got some response as a female artist. We are waiting what comes. Music in the space, music inspire. We are ready to work with you. We are ready to support. We are ready to welcome you in our land, Gulu city, because we female, we are the one who go to the kitchen, cook. We female, we go to the pot and we get water. We female, we are the one to welcome the visitors and hand over, give them the welcoming flowers from our land. So, my appeal to the government, female artists, we need justice in northern Uganda. Female artists, we need to be considered as mothers, sisters, please, as friends. Thanks for all the people who are supporting us in northern Uganda. May God bless you. Inshallah. Thank you so much. Music inspire. Our eyes are on you. We are waiting for the response. Thank you so much. Maria A, stage name, music, and Minister of Gender. Don't mess up with a woman. Let's love women. Let's respect girls. God bless you. Mashallah. Yes, female artist. Expect something good. Expect. We need to bring our voices up. This is the time. I love you, Maria A. Thanks for loving Maria A. Thanks for loving Janet Priska, Pretty B, Doki Sunday. Thanks for loving Miss B. Thanks for loving Pretty B. Thanks for loving Pamela Peace and every female artist. Respect. Monluwa mirwari pekinwa. One mon mirwari pekinwa. I am a true mother and you are a true sister. One mon wadeno chan. One mon wakanyokej. Yeah, we love you, female artists, northern Uganda. Let's put our hands up. So Lutua, chalo female artist me northern Uganda. Music inspire. Gamoluwe makuja chaluwe to come mamon to come and represent the female artist igangwa. Maware mirwa gude kwa pide kwa mi welo piamara dong luwe makuja mamon nyiga dini gina edongi vijolo welo one luwe mamon as female artist one pua romo berry program nano aya kidongi no luwe moni angwen megangwa oni be ento gender balance mete pien in la yo program nyoy la do programme kano dago po nyoli ni bi berotie kano la merumo peni berotie pingo mon chuago cho ento wuntio udek chuago mon hey endong pat one Janet Priska gi Sherry Princess Pretty Biggie Doki Sande gi angagi one dong mirwa berwa lingo mot waneno ngoma dong titi megang one dong mirwa dong gang ka yuayo dikal ayela mope music in the space music inspire alors magi kelo alors ping ojone mondo unywaro gidoro molwema mon ba wekon wan be wabetieba music in the space